Here are 5 fun hands-on alphabet activities. We know preschoolers love to do hands-on, and these would even be great for kindergarten students as well. Okay, so number 1, first thing is rice. You can use any type of tray. You could also use sand for this. I even thought about using sugar. And I recommend for the letter R since rice begins with R. All right, number 2, get some yogurt, put it in a Ziploc bag. Any color will do. And I do recommend using this activity for the letter Y, but really they could use it for any letter, and they could even spell their name using it. And then the best part about this one is when you are done, the children can enjoy a snack. So for here's the letter Y. All right, number 3 is Play-Doh. Get them to roll out the dough like this. And I recommend using this for the letter P, but of course, it can be used for any letter, or even to spell their name again. Number 4, this would work well for a morning work activity, even for kindergarten, preschool, is 4. I recommend using this for the letter S, getting some stickers, and they just take the stickers and place the stickers on the letter. It would be fun to even do this for the first letter in their name, or they could even do it for their whole name. And activity number 5, last activity. This one's always fun. Get some shaving cream, perfect for, again, for the letter S, or you could use it again for any letter. Spray it on the table in front of the kids. They'll love getting their hands in this. And then they can write using their finger to write the letter S or any other letter. Thanks for watching, guys.